What did you think of your stay at Waggy Tail Cottage near Cupar Fife?
Wow!
How many stars do they deserve?
5 stars!
That's right, 5 stars.
This doggy holiday cottage is so cozy and relaxed. Just perfect, don't you think? Just perfect.
Can you come up with a tagline? 5-star digs for 4-legged guests. Hey, that's my voice.
No, it's mine!
Aye, that's my wee pal. Loving the spa day.
I just love going for countryside walks and runs.
All year round. Anything else you liked?
Did I mention the squirrels?
Waggy Tail Cottage, fully licensed and insured, based near Cupar Fife.
It's always a broad day for a walk.
Just perfect, Mrs. J.